This one's in Python. It's a level 7. And I highly recommend you try it out before watching the videos, so there will be a link to the challenge in the show notes. And as always, please give me a like and subscribe if this helps you out. I try to keep doing this continually. I'm going to add new languages to it after I get through about 100 of these Python challenges. I think my next goal is to move on to JavaScript. So stay tuned for that. You can always subscribe and be in the know. So with that, let's get started with the challenge. This is called power of 2. So complete a function that determines if a given non-negative integer is a power of 2. So basically, does it equal 2 to some n, right? So for example, here, 1024 is a power of 2. It's what is that, 2 to the 8th or something like that? I don't know, but it's somewhere around there. And then, of course, 4096 would be a power of 2, but this number is not. So let's try this out. I'm thinking of a for loop where we just keep incrementing until we either equal to or pass the given number. So let's try this out. So we're given some number x, and we're trying to see if we are at a power of 2. And okay, so this is interesting. They are going to do 1 here. So 2 to the 0 would equal 2 to the 0th power equals 1. So that would be a true. Okay, so let's try this. Let's set our exponent. Oh, it doesn't like where. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the exponent, we'll start that off at 0. And so we'll say while 2 raised to the exponent is less than the x. Well, so that's not going to work if when I get to 1 here. So I think what I might do here is, this is one of those, I'm going to just do an infinite loop, while true, and we'll say if 2 raised to, 2 raised to the exponent, if it's greater than x, then we're done. We tried to get something that was equal to x, so here we'll return false. Okay. If 2 raised to the exponent equals x, we're done. We'll return true. And then all else equals, so exponent, we need to increment it. And then just keep going from there. Okay. So I think this is going to work. It's a lot of code for something kind of simple, so I'm trying to think about how I would rewrite this. Let's see. Yeah, I think I would just keep it at this. So we're just going to go until we're bigger than the number. Let's look at some other solutions and see if we could have done this better. So we'll do a full submission here. And it's always good, like once you solve it, it's pretty cool. Once you solve it, you can, wow, okay, that's crazy. You can always look at somebody else's solutions to see how you could have been better. So this is interesting. I think a lot of folks are starting to go binary here. So they're taking the integer and kind of converting it into binary, which is definitely one way to go. I guess mine is good enough for government work, but now I feel insignificant at some of these. So, well, we always learn something new. So hopefully this was beneficial to y'all, and we'll see you on the next one.